The People, 10th class, Chapter 6, Social Studies, English Medium, Part 2 bits. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Some children forced to work because of economic conditions, willingness, both A and B. None. Correct answer, economic conditions. The density of population in Andhra Pradesh as per 2011 census: 308, 382, 380, 370. Correct answer, 308. Fertility rate of Andhra Pradesh is 1.9, 3.7, 2.7, 1.8. Correct answer, 1.9. Male literacy percentage as per 2011 census is 28.14, 81.24, 82.14, 42.18. Correct answer, 82.14. In 2001, the literacy rate was 46.14%, 64.84%, 86.14%, 68.44%. Correct answer, 64.84%. The lowest population density state in the year 2011 is with 70. Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar. Correct answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Who provides information regarding the population of our country? Census of India, Census of State, Central Government. None. Correct answer, Census of India. Which information is not collected by the Census of India? Occupation, education level, property, religion, caste, age. Correct answer, property. Which organization collects census information in India? Commission of District, Commission of State, Census Commission of India. None. Correct answer, Census Commission of India. The distribution of people according to their age is called age limit, age structure, age status. None. Correct answer, age structure. According to Census of India, children are below how many years? Below 18 years, below 14 years, below 12 years, below 15 years. Correct answer, below 15 years. Special schemes introduced for children. Midday meals, Anganwadis, Amavadi, all the above. Correct answer, all the above. In 2011, the sex ratio in India 940:1000, 993:1000, 970:1000, 990:1000. Correct answer, 940:1000. Sex ratio in Haryana 879:1000, 90:70:1000, 880:1000, 990:1000. Correct answer, 879:1000. Sex ratio in Punjab 870:1000, 970:1000, 895:1000, 990:1000. Correct answer, 895:1000. Powerful force in reducing females' discrimination. Women education, women employment, women movement, women leadership. Correct answer, women education. The percentage of people who can read and write any language is called birth rate, death rate, literacy rate, none. Correct answer, literacy rate. The rate of increase in population in a place over a period of time is called population density, population growth, population rate, none. Correct answer, population growth. Birth rate means the number of live births per 1,000 persons in a year, the number of deaths per 1,000 persons in a year. A and B, none. Correct answer, A option. The number of live births per 1,000 persons in a year. Factors of influencing population growth: birth rate, death rate, literacy rate, migration. Correct answer, birth rate. In 1992, the growth rate of population in India is 1.8%, 1.9%, 2%, 2.7%. Correct answer, 1.9%. Fertility rate means the average number of births per woman, the average number of deaths per woman, average literacy rate, none. Correct answer, the average number of births per woman. Movement of population across regions and territories is called migration, international migration, country migration, None. Correct answer migration. International migration means migration of people between countries, migration of people within states, migration of people within country. None. Correct answer migration of people between countries. Population density means the number of persons per unit of area, number of persons per acre. A and B. None. Correct answer the number of persons per unit of area. Population density of India in 2011 is 282, 285, 290, 382. Correct answer 382. Population density of West Bengal in 2011 is 904, 1102, 916, 382. Correct answer 904. Population density of Arunachal Pradesh in 2011 is 13, 17, 16, 19. Correct answer 17. The age of school education, how many years? 0 to 6 years, 5 to 10 years, 6 to 15 years, 7 to 17 years. Correct answer 6 to 15 years. Which continent population is going to decrease in future? Asian continent, North America, Europe, South America. Correct answer Europe. Do not earn their income. Senior citizens, females, children, all of these. Correct answer children. Who are known as aged persons? Above 50 years, above 55 years, above 60 years, above 59 years. Correct answer above 59 years. 59 years. The population in square kilometer area is called population density, population increase, population decrease, population growth. Correct answer population density. Highest and least populated states of India according to 2011 census. Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Rajasthan, Goa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim. Many adults considered children as a burden. Male, female, A and B, none. Correct answer females. The total births per woman is known as birth rate, fertility rate, Female rate, death rate. Correct answer, fertility rate.